iPhone SE2 looks new. The main camera along with the LED flash are at some elevation. Earlier, a well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said that the smartphone iPhone SE2 will be released to the market in the first quarter of next year. Now, new renders of the iPhone SE2 have appeared, which are slightly different from the original images. The smartphone will borrow the design of the iPhone 8, that is, the screen will be surrounded by fairly wide frames. Under the screen there will be a branded home button with a built-in Touch ID fingerprint scanner. The source claims that the new product will receive the hardware base of the iPhone 11, and more precisely, the single-chip Apple A13 Bionic system, which will work in conjunction with 3 GB of RAM. Presumably, the iPhone SE2 will be equipped with a 4.7-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1334 x 750 pixels. This time, it can be seen that the main camera along with the LED flash are at some elevation relative to the plane of the rear panel. This confirms the assumption that the new product will receive a camera with good optics and will shoot at approximately the same level as the current flagships. As for the charging connector, Lightning will play its role again, not USB-C.